Earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals faster with online surveys. Discover the top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider factors like reputation, the number of surveys available, and payout methods. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles thoroughly, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Implement best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Beware of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate, usually taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some survey sites even offer instant cash or provide signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to take surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.